as a professional, why would I really be overly concerned about this particular area? And specifically, why would I be concerned about, an impact that this might have on my own E&O coverage?
I'd suggest to you that there are very few areas where you can minimize your professional risk by simply making a good recommendation to a client. And the fact is that when you recommend to a client that they purchase, and maybe not purchase it, maybe just consider estate and executor liability insurance, you've given them an opportunity to safeguard themselves in the event that something happens. And now when something happens, at least you're able to say, we gave you good advice and we did ask you to consider this. And when the chickens come home to roost, they have no one to blame but themselves. In the absence of the advice, they are out-of-pocket money and they're unhappy. And they're particularly unhappy if they find out from some other advisor that they could have had an insurance policy had they simply been told about it at the outset of the estate. I think the embarrassment of finding out about that is a reason enough just to make the recommendation. I don't know if it changes the risk picture particularly for the lawyer, but it doesn't cost anything to make the recommendation, and if the client purchases the insurance, then the lawyer is in a far better position, I think, when a problem occurs than they are in the absence of insurance, and it costs them nothing.